Hi, everyone. Welcome to Raha Technologies, the first is most effective training to get you a future job ready. We today learn what is full stack. Okay. So full stack is a new terminology that actually gaining the popularity day by day right now in the industry. So before what happened, the front end specialist, back end specialist, and the database specialist collaborate, they are work together and complete the software solution. Right now, the different part and backend side and the database side sometimes happens that you are not getting a good employees, you are not getting them get a better skill. The cost also increases, the team size also increases. So what happened? The client trying to make it a cost effective. So they try to make one person to know all right now. They will get the better salary also for that. So for that is the reason the full stack term. Full stack. Full means complete. Stack means that the layer, all the layers of the skill set you require. Okay. Based on the stack of skills, that is the content. Full stacks are different types. Okay. So we will come to later. So first we will discuss what is the full stack. If you see, full stack has the front end, back end, database or data storage. Those all the knowledge you have, not a separate thing. Front end is the client side, that is the UI part, that the thing you can see the website, browser, that is the GUI part. For an application also, desktop application, that is what we call thing application, and there is a thing application, thing client. Okay, thing client, thing client. So there is the client, it can be in the whatever you see of the application part, that is the front end side. User can see this. Suppose in a queue, you are standing and in front of you, some person is there. You can see easily them, their face on that in front of that person, whatever the party is visible, you can see them. But in back side, the person who can stay, that you can't see because that is the back side of that person, which is hidden, it hide. Okay, but they are still the part of the queue, right? That is the thing. Same here is working in the software industry. Front end side, the UI part, everything is there. You can see them. Client, no, client side, we can say. Client side means user side, client side, everything is the name what persons are accessing that based on that. Backend name is saying that backend, backside. So this part you can't you can't see this. Okay. So database also a backside, but backend and database are separated in two servers, different server. Front end is a client side that is also present. Client application means it's the browser, the local application, browser Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, is those things. UI development is part of UI or design development of that part. This is the part of content. What are the skills are required? We will come to later. Backend, the business logics, actual business logic content, residing in the application server. This is a specific server type. Okay, data storage, it is a part of database. Data related to data. Every data we are storing in the data storage database servers is a different type. So if you go to the one wedding ceremony and you can see there is a buffet section, there is a plates are stacked one after another. Okay, so you can take the first plate for your lunch or dinner. So that's the thing. The plates are designed, the placed in a stack. That's the layers one by one after another. And same thing here also in the full stack. We say these front end, back end, database, data storage, those are part of different layers. Front end, I kept it here because it's a visible part. The user can see this is the part. We know that database data structure uh, stack is that structure where you can put it. The top one is coming first. So that's why I just kept it here. It is not mandatory that wherever you can keep it. That is not the thing. So each layers are meant one of the skill set. Okay. So I just kept it in the general form right now. So this is the stack on full stack and full stack in the front end part. In only the front end part, if you see that front end side, and there is a few technologies are used. main applications, main technologies are like HTML5, CSS3. These are the design section, very important part. JavaScript is the action part, action. We have a separate modules of that. I teach this subject in our in technology, Raha technologies under that umbrella, and that actually you can see the contact number details in the behind. If we require, I share the mobile number also. So if you have to interest to learn, you can contact me. Okay. And if you have any comment, if you want to share any thought, you can share it in the comment section. I will check that. Okay, so HTML5 is a design part, CSS3 is a design part, JavaScript is part of design part, but this JavaScript is a separate one thing that it's a action part, CSS3 is a styling part, HTML5 is a structuring part. Okay, so these are the few things I just need to mention. This is the structure. This is style for actual design, and this is for action. Action. Or that the perform you perform some button press, is some color changes happen, there's some animation started. So that button press, that is the action you're taking. Mouse click, that is the action you're taking. So this is a big subject, but you just learn the few basic things. And React.js, React Native, AngularJS are derived from this JavaScript. This is React.js is a one type of library. React Native is also same thing, but different. React.js and React Native has some different concepts, and that is for native applications. There is a concept of native applications. This is something different again. AngularJS is a framework, but React.js is a library. Remember that. AngularJS is also part of the JavaScript. This is I have kept the two names. There are also Vue.js, some 3.js. These different type of JavaScript frameworks are also there. Okay, so one framework is related to one or type of actions we need to perform. So this is the front end part. Backend side, if you go backend side, backend some examples of skills, whatever required, I just kept it there. Java, Node.js, Python, Ruby, .NET. Based on that, the different stacks are created. Okay. So these are the main one sort of language. And data storage, if you see data storage, that is actually few types of data storage as there, like SQL or relational data. This is relation maintained here. SQL. Okay, non-SQL. So this is the structured query language, non-structured query language. So this is part of the collections. This is another type of data storage, and another is the commonly said cache, but this cache again divided to three parts: application cache, in-memory cache, distributed cache. These are the again another different. Each part of them has a different sort of discussions. Okay. So these are the main important thing, and based on these different skills, we divide the full stack in some different module. One is the Marl, Mean, Python, Lamp, uh, Java, .NET, Ruby, mobile. These are the separate type of full stack based on the skills we are using. Means Marl has the separate skill. Okay, Mean has a separate skill. Python, using Python and other languages, we create that stack. Okay, so front end, back end, database here is maybe separate from this, not be same, only the back end part is different. So mainly we have this many full stack. Mostly important are Mean, Python, and Java. This Mean, Python, and Java, these are most important one. You just remember that. Okay. And mobile, there's a separate full stack right now have. So, what about the things you need to learn for that web development basics, and you need to learn HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript basics things. Okay. So these you have to learn first. Other than you can't go for website development. Okay, then you can go one of the stack based on your interest. Modern stack Marn is naming initials from these skills, taking that Marn has created. Okay, so in for MongoDB, E for Express.js, React.js are in for Node.js. It is the Marn, okay, MongoDB. And everything is same, only the React.js is changed here in the main to AngularJS. That is the main step. As I mentioned, these are all the stacks that are created based on the name, different names of the skill set are used. In case of Lamb stack, if you see Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP, it is LIMP, Lamb. Okay. And Java stack, Java, Spring Boot, AngularJS, Hibernate. This is, we say this is Java stack, but this is based on this name, bracket name. Okay. There is separate Python stack, Python, Django, MySQL, .NET stack, .NET, AngularJS, MySQL. Okay. A database, you can change anything. Okay. There is not a mention. You can change any Java. You can also change the AngularJS to React.js. REST API is there to communicate. Whatever the things I have mentioned, everything is a very in detail. Okay. So this hyphen is the part of the ORM part. Okay. So Ruby stack. Ruby is the main thing. Ruby, Rails, and MySQL is the one of the combination. Mobile full stack has that React Native. Okay. So this is the native application we have to create in the mobile. Most of that. Flutter also used. SQLite is a database specialized for mobile. Low footprint, do we say? Okay, because Oracle and those are part of the main MySQL. Everything is up. I have a larger footprint which you can run in the mobile. So these are the many full stack. I think it is a basic overview you will like. We will come to details of each of them. Mostly we will start at the Marn.